perfect.
All right. We'll start you with this then.
Get ready.
Oh, yeah.
And there's
Angel
more.
food cake.
Angel
You
food cake,
can always
yeah.
have more. Okay.
Dad, get ready.
You could have the bottom half of mine where there's no frosting. Would that be good?
Yeah.
She doesn't like angel food cake, that's why I made this, but then she was helping me make the frosting, but I didn't realize she didn't want frosting on it.
Oh.
Get
Because
ready.
it's so
Okay,
sweet.
over here, Luke.
Okay.
Come over here, bud. We'll have the.
What are we doing? Having a
Okay.
contest to see who can put it in their mouth
This is an
first?
X game.
Okay, so this.
Extra training.
So you have to put the whole thing in your mouth
Right.
without.
Oh, no.
I mean, all at one time.
Okay.
Okay, and it might take more than a couple of seconds.
Right.
Okay, hold on. I've got to find my right. Hold on.
X Games training camp, Idaho version.
I know I have a movie here
That's a food
somewhere.
cake.
Hold on. There's a
can do it.
movie in here somewhere. Where do I find a movie? There's a movie somewhere.
I found that the
Oh,
dialogue.
this would be it right there.
will do.
Down one.
But I'm trying to get there. Okay, here we go. Hold on.
I'm just licking my
The
finger.
options.
Oh, you didn't have to wait, boys.
The options. Movie.
I took a couple bites.
Let's go with that. 'cause I
Can't
don't
tell,
know.
see?
Oh, you're right.
Okay,
I don't know if
boys.
this is a movie, but we'll try it.
Okay,
Ready.
bottoms up.
Bottoms go.
I guess it's not. I don't know. I've got some really good
Are
ones.
you having a terrified time? Take a bite of Grampy's dad. Take a bite. Do you feel like you're gonna throw up?
That's really good.
Did you say gross?
Gross.
I guess Daddy and Luke are the champions.
Go sit down with the boys, honey.
Disgust. Get down, boy.
Silly boys.
You need to change your diaper.
I lost.
I'm gonna kill him.
What?
Makes you think
I'm
that?
gonna kill him. Okay, Grampy and Luke are the champions. Well, Dad and Luke are the champions.
I just don't have it anymore.
I'll run back. I need to go bomb. I want brownies. You're just
You want more brownies?
Really good.
Got it.
That's a lot closer than I thought it would be.
Okay, say got it again.
Got it.
Got it again.
They ate just about between the three of them.
Yeah.
Oh.
We are
Hey,
men.
Bridgie Boo Foo, what are you having?
Nice.
You did well, Greg. You did well. Good job.
Brownies, yum.
I swallowed one.
Oh, that's funny.
Okay.
You.
Oh my
Hard
goodness.
moving it around to chop it up. Once I have the last
Are
piece.
you gonna fix the brownies,
Figure
Mom?
that one out, but.
Are you gonna fix the brownies?
Yes, I'll fix you some brownies, honey.
Well, these are great. You like some?